Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition, life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today I'm showing you how I made Indigo's Nili Carnivore Crêpes. They're made with only egg whites and beef gelatin. I thought it was very interesting. I wanted to try. I haven't had crepes in so long because all keto crepes sucks. Like, you just, at least the ones that I tried, I really don't like cream cheese and all these kind of things in crepe. So I just like the simplicity of it. It was super high protein. And yeah, let's see. Before we have a look on how to make these crepes, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, check out my other recipes. I've put so much content on it, so yeah, go and have a look. But yeah, let's have a look how to make these carnivore crepes. So the single recipe is 120 grams of egg whites and 10 grams of beef gelatin and a pinch of salt if you want. I made double that because I wanted more crepes. So you whisk it up until you get like a frothy kind of consistency, and then you cook it like she has like a griddle pan for crepes. My crepe pan is not compatible with induction hob, so I couldn't use my crepe pan to make the video, but you can use that. I just use a normal non-stick pan. And yeah, then you just butter it up and cook the crepes one at a time. They didn't quite look the same as the ones that Indigo makes. Hers looks a bit more like spongy in a sense, a bit more pliable. Mine were very delicate. I don't know if I should have added a bit more gelatin, like maybe different brands have different effects. I actually don't know because it was the first time I was making it. Maybe I'll try next time adding a little bit more gelatin. But yeah, pretty straightforward. You just make your crepes. And then I made the classic combination. I made the ham and cheese crepes. I think they're classic like French crêpe Suzette. Actually, crêpe Suzette is just butter and lemon. But yeah, it's pretty classic combination, at least in Europe, is ham and cheese crepes. So you just place one of the crepes in a medium high heat pan. You add ham and cheese, and then you put fold it up while it's all melting into a triangle. And that's pretty typical way of folding crepes. And then once it's all melty, you can put it on a plate. I did this like plating, but you don't have to do it. Or you can also cover them in cheese and put them into the oven to melt. You could make like a little bechamel sauce. I have an awesome bechamel. It was for my lasagna rolls. I made such an awesome bechamel, so this would be awesome if you make them and then cover it with bechamel sauce and bake them in the oven for like 10-15 minutes just to get all melty. And yeah, basically here you have them. I think they look great. I already tasted them, obviously. They taste also great. And yeah, I really recommend it actually. The only thing it's not like I'm not convinced, it's just the amount of egg whites you need to make only 3, like 250 ml. Of course, depends on the cost, depends what eggs you're using. Like if you want to make them for your whole family, you're gonna need like 100 eggs. If you want to make them for a meal, this is probably like just like a treat, so everyone has like 1 or 2. But if you want to make loads of them, if you can find like some inexpensive eggs, because carton egg whites here are not saying like expensive, like £3, but you can make a lot of egg white bread with 1 carton of egg. But you can, with this dose, you probably can make like 6 of this kind of larger crepes. So yeah, just that. Like, I probably wouldn't like cook it for a whole meal. This is just like as a side or as a treat. You can put marmalade in it, like jam, or like if you make like a keto Nutella, this would be absolutely insanely good. So really recommend that. And yeah, I'm going to stick on camera. Here it is. Yeah, so the good thing is that they don't, I was so sure they're gonna taste super egg white because they were cooking, I could taste those sulfates, but actually they don't taste of, like the crepe itself don't taste of anything apart from the butter because I added so much of it. And yeah, pretty pleased because they really don't taste much, and I really want to try also the version with the egg white protein powder because that I think also would be more cost effective than the egg whites. I think I'll see how much it makes, but yeah, overall amazing. Thank you so much, Nili. As usual, she always comes up with the best recipes, and when she makes them look so much better than mine. I guess experience, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you as I said, check out my rest of my YouTube channel. I have so much content like metabolic health, insulin resistance, benefit of carnivore diet, so many recipes, protein sparing carnivore, like things like carnivore nachos, and like so much variety. If you're on a low carb keto diet, animal based, and you're trying to have some variety, my recipes are mostly like on the carnivore side, animal based, not so much keto. So yeah, hope you have a look, hope you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.